Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app, and we will understand how to install Facebook Pixel. So first of all, let's understand the difference between client versus server-side tracking. Client-side tracking is also known as browser-side tracking, and it totally depends on user's browser. Server-side tracking works directly on the server. So let's understand this process with the help of this flowchart. When a user browser the internet, he will land on your website. From there, the browser cookies will track its behavior and send back the data to the platform. Then in between, here comes the Apple and ad blocker, which blocks the ability to track the user's behavior. Being a marketer, our life depends on tracking the user's behavior with accuracy to improve and optimize campaigns. So, resultantly, it has disrupted the entire industry, including agency owners and marketers. Let me explain the same process with server-side tracking. When a user browses the internet, he will land on your website. Then directly from cloud server, the data will be sent to the platform without any barrier like iOS update, Apple, and any kind of ad blocker that can restrict your ability to track the user's behavior. So we can see server-side tracking offers several advantages over client-side tracking. And yes, if you are going to install Facebook Pixel, all you need to have is your Facebook business account. Then you have to go to business setting, data sources, data sets, select your pixel, open in Event Manager, copy pixel ID and access code. Here I am on my Facebook business account. In business setting, you will see data sources. Down there will be the option of data sets. Open in Event Manager. Here in the settings, you will get the pixel ID and Facebook access code. Let me open my app in my Shopify store. Click on Add Facebook Pixel. Here I have to give my pixel a name. Let's suppose I have write ABC. Now I have to copy pixel ID from Event Manager. Paste it over here. Target area, I have selected entire store. You can either select collections or tags. Now I have to copy the Facebook access code from Event Manager. Scroll down. Here in Conversion API, you have to manually generate the Facebook access code. Click on Generate Access Code, copy it and paste it over here. Now click on the Save button. So we have created our pixel. Let's move to online store. Whatever activity we will perform over here, that will be indicated in the analytic portion. So here I am visiting this page. Let me add any product to cart. Add to cart. Reload this page. Move back to the store. Reload this page. Now check the analytics. Here you can see add to cart, page view, content view, everything is tracked. So now let's apply the test event code. Click on edit. Here we have to apply the test event code. How to check my pixel is working. The pixel browser extension does not display the tracking activity of Infinite Pixel. Pixel will not display on the extension because we use server-side method, and to ensure that events are being received correctly, you can utilize the test code provided by the Facebook. So let's copy the test event code from here. Copy it and paste it over here. Now click on the Save button. Now move back to the store. Here in extension, you will see no pixel found on Infinite Pixel demo. Basically, this app was developed to generate 100% accurate results, so it is based on server-side tracking. It is not going to show your result on any extension which we use to check on Metapixel Helper. Let me make any purchase from here. Add to cart. add to cart. Click on checkout. Let's see is test event code working. Here you can see all the events are being triggered. Continue to payment. Click on pay now. This is not an actual purchase. I am just doing it for a demo. Now reload this page. You will see this thank you will be disappear. Here you can see the thank you is disappeared. Now move back to the store. Reload this page. Let's see is our purchase triggered. Yeah, it's triggered. Now check the analytics. You can see each and every activity is tracked over here. This is how our app works. Being an agency owner, we were facing the issues while tracking process. So we have introduced our own app to make the tracking process convenient for us and all of you. It will only track the server side, and yes, if we track both browser side and server side, consequently it will confuse the data that will ultimately affect the performance of your ad account, pixel and campaigns. So we are only the server side trackers. I have been working as digital marketer since last 5 years, and I personally recommend this app to all of you. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.